Welcome to day 4 of Leh, and we are today going to Turtuk village. We are ready, we are just having our breakfast. You can also say hi to this boy. I thought he just said hello, guys.
Hello guys.
Okay. He's not much of a camera person. I'm trying to change that though. Am I being successful?
50%.
50%? We have to take it up to 85 by the end of this trip. It's a 3-hour drive approximately, and there is a little bit of off-roading as well, and look at that. First stop on the way to Turtuk village, we've come to War Memorial. मैं पहली बार किसी वॉर मेमोरियल आई हूँ. आई थिंक अपनी एडल्ट लाइफ में पहली बार आई हूँ. बचपन में शायद कभी गई होंगी. एंड आई डोंट नो, इट फील्स हैवी. एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग बिकॉज आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो और एनीथिंग. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आई एम genuinely telling you, it feels a little heavy. The names that we were reading there, the date of their martyr that we saw, there was one officer who was martyred on 16th June 2026, Mr. Sarabjit Singh. And people are taking pictures and all, saluting and everything. I get that. I mean, people do that, but I don't think I would want to take pictures there. It's not a selfie wall or something. It's in their honor, and I don't know. Salute to them and thanks. And now we are off to our another location, watching the beautiful views, enjoying the drive and the company. हम लोग तुर्तुक क्रॉस करके अब थांग आ गए हैं. थांग इज़ द लास्ट विलेज ऑफ इंडिया, जो कि तुर्तुक से कुछ 3-4 किलोमीटर्स ही है, जहाँ से आप इंडो पाक बॉर्डर देख सकते हैं.
नदी सहयोगी वाली इसके लेफ्ट हमारी लेफ्ट है, राइट साइड पाकिस्तान के. लेफ्ट साइड में 2 पेड़ के बीच में येलो कलर का गाड़ी करना है, वहाँ नीचे वो हमारे इंडिया का एलओसी है. नजर को ये पिक सारा पाकिस्तान का. हाँ जी, यहाँ से लेके सारा पाकिस्तान.
I'm also in line, Sharma. Hold this. Everything's good, but it's really, really hot. This is the local market. वो जो ऊपर दिख रही है पीक, वो पूरा पाकिस्तान है, मतलब के अंदर आता है. एंड हमको पीछे बोर्ड्स दिखे जिन पे ऐसा लिखा हुआ था that you are under enemy observation. ऊपर बैठ के देख रहे हैं हमको, ये नहीं कि अपने घर जाके बैठे हैं शांति से. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू तुर्तुक विलेज. अब हम वहाँ पे जाएंगे, थोड़ा लंच खाएंगे, थोड़ा घूमेंगे फिरेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू द फेमस बाल्टी किचन where we get authentic Turtuk food, balti food. It's something we'll get to know. Can't wait to try some authentic food. वापस आते हुए आएंगे हिमाचल से. यस, रिवर के इस साइड भी तुर्तुक है एंड रिवर के उस साइड भी तुर्तुक है, एंड एक ब्रिज से कनेक्टेड है ये दोनों विलेजेस. लाइक ये एक पूरा विलेज. एंड नाउ वी आर वॉकिंग in these tiny cute streets of Turtuk. Look at these rastas. This is nice. And we have reached the Balti kitchen. We've reached the cafe and we are having the seasonal fruit juices. This is cherry juice with walnuts. And this is mulberry juice. All of this makes my husband really happy. Really happy. Look at the smile on that face. Okay. Cheers, baby. It's nice. It's very refreshing. So if you guys are coming to Turtur. So if you guys are coming to Turtuk village, you should come to this Balti kitchen, which is very, very famous here for authentic Turtuk food. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cuisine's name is Balti.
Yeah.
That's what it is after. Yeah.
Our first dish is here, and that is
farm to table salad.
farm to table salad.
Sweet potatoes.
And this is called, what is it called? Balti salad.
Balti salad. Yeah.
Let's try it. Oh, such a big bite.
Cottage cheese. This is cottage cheese.
It's really good. It's really good. Okay. मैं ये सारा खत्म करके बताती हूँ कैसा था और उसके बाद फिर दूसरी वाली डिश दिखाती हूँ. Second dish is also here. This is mascot. Let's try. It's really nice. समझ नहीं आया मुझे ये क्या फ्लेवर है, बट ये काफी अच्छा है. It's like idli. Mascot is buckwheat pancakes dipped in a rich walnut puree with onion and chilies. It's really good. Must try. Must try. अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं म्यूजियम. Let's go. Look at the views. So beautiful just to walk around. मुझे vlogging वगैरह ज़्यादा आती नहीं है. मैं अभी सीख रही हूँ. दिस इज़ द सेकंड ट्रिप जो मैं व्लॉग कर रही हूँ. मैं पूरी कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं अपना पर्सनल टाइम मी टाइम एंजॉय भी करूँ एंड मैं व्लॉग भी करूँ. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड अ बैलेंस एंड आई थिंक आई एम एबल टू फाइंड दैट बैलेंस एज वेल. बट इफ यू फाइंड समथिंग ऑफ अबाउट माई व्लॉग्स इट्स बिकॉज आई एम न्यू एट इट. सो बेयर विद मी प्लीज. हाय हाय से हाय. चले. She's so happy with that. I love it. ये बिल्कुल खाली सुनसान पतले पतले रास्ते म्यूजियम तक लेके जा रहे हैं हमको. Somewhere this way. Let's go. And look at that bird. Wow. Balti Heritage House and Museum. Kettle room. Space for keeping essentials, which is called chulut. And let's see. Wow, okay. Yeah, I am washing my head. You can't stand straight in here. These are all the utensils. Let's check out the storage room. Okay. Religious belief systems in Turtuk. If you want to give it a read. Let's see what's up there. Storeroom. Secret doorway. Go inside and take a look. Space for keeping shoes. And this is the living room and the kitchen. And this is the sleeping room. Let's check out the sleeping room. The clothes. Balti language. It's a Tibetic language spoken primarily in Baltician region of North Pakistan. Oh. Okay, we'll read the whole thing later. Another bedroom or something maybe. And the shoes. So we just completed our tour of the Heritage House and Museum. And we also got to speak with the great grandson of Seth Ghulam Haider Ashur. He told us about the whole story and how they are maintaining the place and the whole heritage side. And he didn't want us to record anything, so we spoke to him off camera. And yeah, now we are off to see the bunkers and the cold storage. Come along. This is the bunker of memories. Wala whole situation. Even though there was nothing, like everything was fine here, but still, to just feel a little more safer, people did use those bunkers for some time. We are inside the bunker of Ashur family. What do you think? It's fascinating, really. These are some. Yeah, right? Bro, that one. Crazy. Those snowy peaks are a part of Pakistan. Now we are going towards the cold storage. And here we go. Okay, all the basic necessities are stored in here. And mind your head. Okay. Wow. Don't lift your head up, honey, even when you walk in. Keep your head down. Yeah, step down. Okay. Wow. It sure indeed is a cold storage.
एक तो ये पत्थर की वजह से भी ठंडा रहता है, दूसरा एक वो जो एरिया दिख रहा है ना कोने में, वो गुफा जैसा है, कुछ केव जैसा, तो उनके बीच में कुछ छोटे छोटे गैप है, तो वहाँ से हवा आता है, तो इस वजह से ठंडा रहता है। तो एक एक करके ना,
हवा ही तो गर्म है ऊपर में।
हाँ ये स्टोरेज ही है, अंदर जा सकते हैं।
Can you feel the breeze? Yeah. So this is what keeps this little cave keeps this cold storage cold. It's 7 degrees in here, and outside is 32 degrees. Okay, so now we are going back. We saw the cold storage, the bunker. It is indeed interesting. Okay, so if you guys are coming here to Turtuk, then please make sure that you are not recording people, especially women, because what I have noticed is that they are not comfortable. As soon as they see a camera around, they just do something to their faces just to hide it. They're not comfortable with that. And I did ask one of the women who was washing her clothes in like one of the river streams. I asked her if I can click her, and she was like, she was a little shy, and then I just said, you can say no, it's okay, आप मना कर सकते हो. So she said, I mean, she didn't want to say no directly to me, so she just said कि अभी कपड़ा अच्छा नहीं है. So I get it. People are a little conservative here, so please make sure that you're not offending anyone. And yeah, that's it. The place is beautiful. You should definitely come here and experience their culture and their lifestyle. It's beautiful. We are back to the bridge. Alright, that was day 4 in Turtuk. Now we are gonna go back and we are gonna explore the artisan market in the evening. So yeah, until then, see ya.